Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm by Beauty Fashion. So friends, how are you? Hope you're all fine and doing well. Friends, today I'm showing a all-hit trendy and gorgeous collection of different style of dress designing from latest trending fashion. So friends, there are so many fabrics, there are so many dresses if you want to make a stylish dresses and searching latest fashion. So this video will be very helpful for you. Friends, if you're new in my channel, so please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification of all my videos and you will never miss my video and any collection of my channel. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends and family members. So friends, don't forget to tell me in the comment section. Friends, there are so many fabrics available in the market like silk, georgette, net, linen, lawn, cotton and so many fabrics available everywhere in the world. And also there are so many material available everywhere like pearls, stone, glasses, patches and so many other things. You can place these kinds of things according to your choice to make a stylish dresses. So friends, I will try my best to share all new ideas, so please subscribe, like and share, and thanks for watching my videos from my channel. Friends, you can get ideas, so take care of yourselves. See you soon with new gorgeous collection and new latest trendy and marvelous ideas. So friends, we will be right back. Bye bye.